ungakajami kuhle ungakuphathisa isiyezi lomakhiwo nawuzombeleza ngalindlela. Mzimkhulu SABC eAuckland Park kulapho sikhona nanzi ezijujileko.
There's a bleeding part of me because the weaknesses of leadership had led to this situation.
I-SACP angekhe ivinjwe i-ANC ekutheni rage nokungenela amakhetho abarhulumente bendawo nyaka uvela ngombana iinhlangano ezijameleko.
My kids love it here. It's excellent. Can't recommend it enough.
The beachfront has been safe. The visibility of police and the metro has been excellent this year.
Imvakatshi ezivakatshele emabhichi waKwaZulu Natal zibuka ukuhlwengeka nokufikeleka kwamabhichi wesifundesi umnyaka lo.
We didn't make money as people were tired and in a hurry to get home. They were very frustrated. Our businesses here as hawkers did not do well.
Amabhizinisi amakekana endlela esangweni lomkhawulo welibombo athi akhange kusebenzeke kuhle kokuyaphi ngombana abantu bebangenekile ngokujama isikhathi eside endleleni. Mina nawe mbukeli sigcinene ngelanga elingaphambi kwakaKrismus. Sithemba bona nokho nimdle kamnandi. Yamukelana nzindaba ku SABC1 akwande. Umnyaka lo utshengisa ukuba mnyaka ukhambe uba nokutitshelana ngaphakathi kwenhlangano ezinesikhozi ne-ANC. Lokhu kunjengombana ubudlelwano beminyaka eminingi ngaphakathi namkha hlangana kwehlangano lene SACP saphela. Njengombana i-SACP ithathe isicundo sokungenela amakhetho abarhulumente bangekhaya ngo-2026 izijamele.
Mapaela siyabozwa obonzima sesine 100 years.
Sikhathi samaqiniso ebudlelwaneni be-ANC nenhlangano ezibasebenzisani bayo. Ukusukela nje i-SACP ithi iyokungenela amakhetho iyodwa. Hlangana nezinye zezinto eziyigugunyako ngilokho ethi batsho kubhalelwa kwe-ANC ukuhlela ngobutsha isebenzisano lwayo nenhlangano esebenzisana nazo ekuyinto ekade ilila ngayo.
Deep in my heart of hearts, there's a bleeding part of me because the weaknesses of leadership had led to this situation. The arrogance of political power has led to this decision. Factionalism, corruption, and using politics to corrupt and sulify the entire liberation movement had led us to this.
Nyanga inhlangano ezimbili ezingazwani kuhle nokubangela ukuthi kubanjwe imihlangano eminingi ehlukeneko yokulinga ukucozulula nokubonisana ngomthelela isiqondwesi esizoba nawo.
It has been agreed that the alliance leadership must meet urgently to develop a common approach to the reconfiguration and renewal of the alliance in a manner that safeguards unity and cohesion and avoids further confusion, division and conflict among the rank and file on the ground.
Kodwana isaraga imkhulumiswano njengombana isiqondwesi singakhange samkeleke kuhle emkhandlo ophetheko ku-ANC nokubangela ukuthi unobhalazo mbelele we-ANC ufikile mbalula avume bona kuzobabudisi ukuthi bancenge i-SACP bona ichugulule umkhumbulo.
We might have reached a stage where we are unable to persuade the South African Communist Party from its decision of not contesting the elections.
Ungaboni ngelihlo linye enhlanganweni ezikubonakala emhlanganweni wamhlapha nje womkhandlo ophetheko ku-ANC.
Comrades, there must be order. Listen to what Comrade Masluk is going to say. You are in the NGC of the ANC. This is not acceptable.
We are saying, comrades, that decision to contest elections is not to contest the ANC. The decision to contest election is contestation of election.
Ubujamo esele bukhona njenganje njengombana sekujidele isikhathi samakhetho yindaba yokuba nobulungu obubili kwamalunga wenhlangano ezimbilezi nokubana kuzokusetshenzwa njani ukuya phambili.
Country has taken a decision in the last Congress to vote for the African National Congress and to campaign for the ANC. We are coming from the Central Committee of COSATU, where we said that decision that we took is not a decision that will change anytime unless we go to Congress.
Nakusenjalo iSACP ithethe isiqondo sokukhupha usihlalo weANC uGwede Mantashe emkhandlweni ophetheko ngemva kokungezi emhlanganweni ngaphandle kokunikela isizathu.
Inkulungwana zemvakashi bukeli ezikhambele emabhichi weThekwini zibuka ukuhlanzeka nokuphepha kwawo nonyaka nje. Namhlanje kubonakele kwande namapholisa umkhandlu dolobha uqinisekisa ivikeleko.
Iholiday yanamhlanje abanengi bayithatha njengelanga lokuhlangana kwemindeni. Njenganapa abasebenzise ithuba le bavukela kule beach bazokuledla nokuthaya. Nelanga belivulile elifuthumele.
Excellent. Beautiful with the piers, the waves just roll off. My kids love it here. It's excellent. Can't recommend it enough. Warm water. Oh, love the warm water.
Ibeach le, ibeach eyindana. Idosa imvakashi zakude nezeduze.
The beachfront has been safe. The visibility of police and the metro has been excellent this year. Really on point.
Abathaya kubayelelisa ukuthi balandele imithetho yamabeach bangathomi babandamele emadamini batsho bayathaya ekubeni khibaginya utshwala.
This point in time there has not been one drowning recorded on a patrolled beach within KZN. So yeah, the expectation from holiday makers very simple: swim between the red and yellow flags, obey the lifeguards, and don't swim if you've been consuming alcohol. Those are the three main things, and everybody will go home safely.
Phakathi kwendawo ezima-23 ezinama-beach avulelwe umphakathi, yinye kwaphela evaliweko, iLaguna Beach, evalwe kwesikhatshana ngombana isalinyalelwe emthangalasisekelo.
Nakusenjalo eKapa, iCamps Bay ibalwa hlangana nendawo ezidosa imvakashi bukeli bona zizoqeda isizungu ngelanga leBoxing Day. Ezinye izakhamuzi zeKapa sekuyinto ejwayelekileko kibo ukuvakatshela iCamps Bay, iSea Point, iBentry Bay kunye neClifton. Abantu bathi ukuya ebeach qobe ngalesi sikhathi somnyaka kuyawupholisa umkhumbulo kanti yinto abahlala bayilindile qobe eminyaka.
Mostly on Christmas, they decide no, they tie it down and go. But then I tell them no, it's tradition, we have to, it's a must. And then we decide we're going to go to the beach, the whole family, we meet up here early, we must wake up early because it's always full on Boxing Day. And then we come and enjoy ourselves because it's always fun.
It's almost like that is like in us, yeah, we come every year, yeah, to swim, yeah, to enjoy us, no negativity and so onwards, you see.
Every year we do a tradition with our family. We go into the beach from small, from the age of 3 years old. Today they're 19 and 16 and we're still doing it for the fun for our children.
We decided to be this site and experience what the people of Cape Town and the culture that they are doing. It's beautiful. You know, it's a good experience.
Imphathimandla zomthetho zithi ukuphulwa komthetho angeze kuvunyelwe kanti ukuphepha kwabantwana kubekelwe phambili.
Well, look, we have our festive season safety policing plan, which it identifies all our resources, and that is based on our experience on where we have the most busiest beaches, but not only beaches, even our roads. All of those things are accounted for. So we know exactly how many people we have. I can't give you the exact number, but it's thousands. And we police 24 hours a day.
Idrobheli lithi angeze livumele izenzo zokuselwa kutshwala endaweni zomphakathi kunye nokuphathwa kwengikhali.
Ubujamo bobuyele endimeni ejayelekileko ekheni yomkhawulo ilibombo eMpumalanga neMozambique. Lokhu kunjengombana abantu abayi-18,450 ebebaya eMozambique bangenisiwe ngokusemthethweni elizweni leliya. Abantu bebabhajwe emkhawulweni welibombo solo kwathoma inyanga kaNobayeni. Nakusenjalo kubotshwe abantu abangaphezu kwama400 bebalinga ukweqa umkhawulo lo kongemthetho.
Emalangeni adlulileko bekumjeje ngemjeje emkhawulweni lo abantu balinde ukungena eMozambique ngokusemthethweni. nanyana inkulungwana zabantu sikhonile ukweqa umkhawulo ngaphambi kwangoChristmas, abanye basele bakhululwe izinhloko nababona ukuthi bayokudlela uChristmas endleleni. NgoChristmas bekufanele bona ibandla lilawula imkhawulo lethule elinye ihlelo lokungenisa abantu ukuphungula imijeje. Abantu bonke kunye nemithwalo bangenile.
During the Christmas day, yesterday on the 25th of December 2025, we've been able to process more than 18,450 individuals that had to exit South Africa during the Christmas day on its own. Out of that, around 450 are the ones that we had processed manually, as we have indicated that yesterday we had to implement the manual process.
Amabhizinisi asendleleni nomkhawulo lo abethinala.
It was quite a challenge to get to work. First of all, it was a challenge. In the mornings, we had to wake up quite early, and we had to walk all the way from town to the border post. It was going on like this for around about a week.
Nanyana bekuphithizela lawa bathengisa endleleni bathi ukuzala khulu benomthelelo ngasemuhle emabhizinisini abo.
I can say business was alright, but we didn't make money as people were tired and in a hurry to get home. They were very frustrated. They were not interested in buying anything. There was a lot of people and we could see they are frustrated. Our businesses here as hawkers did not do well as people struggled.
Nakusenjalo, imithwalo emakhulu abunane nahlanu ingeniswe eMaputo. Imbalobalo ezipheleleko sizokuveza esikhathini esikaqeda ihliziyo.
Nasibuya entolo.
We cannot deprive our kids who want Christmas clothing because we grew up with that culture.
Abantu bathi angeze bahona ukudima abenta babo izembatho zikaChristmas ngombana bathi babalekela umtshayo kaTjhirhweni. Bathi kwabona bakhule njalo msi. Sakwamukela na usanda ukuvulela wakho umabonakude. Indaba lezi ziyatholakala enkundleni zokuthindana uthi @SABC Zindaba. Asalake nazo.
This is it. Kamela mnoxolo umamtshali wakwaMwali.
NginguRebecca Maseko wetindzaba telwimi lwesiswati.
Ukuthola kubekuwe igama lami nginguDaud Phungula ngingumethuli wezindaba zolwimi likaMageba.
Mina ke ngingulindelwa Godi.
Igama nguLisa Dumezweni unondaba wenu ngolwimi lwesiXhosa.
kuCedric Mwebya wendaba zesiNdebele.
Mbukele sithanda nje ukuthatha leli thuba ukuthi sinifisele uKhisimuzi omnandi nemndeni yenu.
Sithi linolwabele kwaye nifumane intsikelelo nangakumbi.
Ngiyacela ukuba ke ujabule ngokuzibheka.
Siyanicela ukuthi ke nishayele nicophelele ke emgwaqeni.
Singinifisela Khisimusi lomuhle nalophephile.
Nomnyaka omutsha onempumelelo ka2026.
Siyanithanda kakhulu lapha eindabeni zakwa SABC1.
Sithi SABC1 Mzansi for sure.
SABC1 Mzansi for sure.
SABC1 Mzansi for sure.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of you from all of us at SABC News. Powered by SABC1 Mzansi for sure.
Happy New Year Mzansi.
Umeyara kamasipalata weThembisiliani uLesitsha Dikgale uthi sele athomile amahlelo okujugulula umasipalata lo asuke ekubeni ngumasipalata wemakhaya kodwana abelidoroba. uDikgale uthi igaba yedoroba elizokwakhiwa izokuseka epambanondlela yebuhle besizwe igege nendlela ichinge eVerina kwaMhlanga eKwaGafontein neMtethi. uDikgale ubexoxisana nombiki ndaba weSABC uComfort Masombuka.
Asikwaka masipalata weThembisiliani mhlobo wendawo zemakhaya phambilini ekhabe zaziwa ngokuthi kusezabelweni iningi lazo ithuthukise emva khulu ngehlangothini lemthangalasisekelo yendlela yamanzi nokhunye. Umeyara kamasipalata uthi sebathomile ngamahlelo okujugulula umasipalata lo bamenza idorobha lesintu iAfrican City. Uthi kanje sibabekele ngeqadi imali e1.3 billion yamaranda ukuthoma ihlelweli begodu nomakhiwo wokthoma othwaye ukuvulwa kwedorobha sebawakhile igraji embaseli sepambanondlela ebuhle besizwe.
Inkulumo yethu bekungasi inkulumo kuphela bokuyinto esiyibiza ukuthi iprogram of action ukuhlela kabusha kwendawo yabantu abahlala eThembisini. Uma sesikhuluma ngale 1.3 billion program ekhamba phambili ideveloper ebizwa ngokuthi iKhazamula sayikhuluma because sibona ukuthi seseduze kakhulu ukuthi icala. Uma ngikhuluma nawe nje igarage seyiphelile iyabereka. NgoJanuary nge-10 sizabe silauncha imall. Imall le izoba imall enkulu ezokwenza ukuthi iningi labantu 200 plus yabantu bazoba namathuba embereko.
Umeyara uthi kuzokwakhiwa izindlu eziyokwakhiwa edorobha emangweni ovulekileko kwamhlanga hlangana nokhunye.
Uma sikhuluma nje laphana emagazini i-program yethu yokufaka i-company enkulu izokwenza ukuthi ikhithize ama-chemicals azobasa amanzi nayo seyiqalile. There are many yalama anchor project like abo smart city Verina like i-suburb yazi kwamhlanga. Uma ngikhuluma nawe i-company esebenzisana kakhulu noBaba Masomo oyikhansela lethu lapha ne-district they will be launching the new mall endaweni yangalena eSheldon.
Uthi lutsha angekhe lisalele emva lizokubandakanywa kikho konke lokho.
Every opportunity evelayo 40% yabantu fanele babe abantu abasha.
Udikhale uyithindile nenhlilo zomphakathi ngezenzelwa.
Into bayicelile kithi ukuthi siqinise idolo. Sikhuphule izinga kakhulukazi lama basic services. Into ezifana namanzi, imfanele lezindlela zibaleke kakhulu emphakathini. So that is why uma ngabheka ibudget yethu 80% yayo iya ezindleleni nasemanzini. Ngoba sazile ukuthi uma singakhona ukuthi lezo zinto sizicedelele noma sizenze ngalendlela umphakathi ungajabulela ngakhona kuba nokujabula.
Uthi njengoba nasebathomile nje ngo2050 kufuze kube idorobha selilikhulu hle.
ICBD yethu izawucala lapha ekukhanyeni lapho kuyikwara ize lana ebuhle besizwe ifike naseVerina ifike naseMteti. So sifuna ukuthi by 2050 abo izinto ezibalekile insika zaleyo CBD zibe sezikhona.
Umeyara bewatsho nokuthi esinye sesitshijilo abaqalene nasokhulu khulisa kwalendlela yemlodo. Uthi ukukhuliswa kwayo kwenza ukuthi ibe nesiminyaminya kakhulu njengoba na vele kuyindlela ephithizelako nje. Babachayeli namalunga omphakathi ukuthi babekezelelane. Endabeni ze-SABC nginguComfort Masombuka. Ngikubikela ngisempumalanga.
Ngama-holiday nje iye khona kuba mnandi naniphumani imndeni niyentolo niyokudobhadobha kodwana izazi zemali zelelisa abantu ukuthi godi ningadobhadobhela ebuthulweni khulu ngombana uyeza uTjhirhweni kokunje akunabusoso benyawo enthabathabeni zentolo abantu bathinditha inkhwama kuthengwa wena kudla wena zembatho kwawena zipho izazi zithi na umuntu ozaziko bona uthengela ebuthulweni beka kusathoma umnyaka kwenzele ukuthi nakufika uNobayeni uthenge ngokukhululeka.
Labantu ngama-holiday wokuphela kumnyaka bathenga into yinye bebayibuyelele ingasingombana bayihloga kodwa ngombana imali ikhona. Sekufana nanakamakuka nathengiswe entolo ahlotshisiweko abantu bayawathenga ukube ngapha nokubhaga babhagile ngendlini. Uma uJekweleni Mabahle uthi sekwaba lisiko bona imali nayikhona kuvukelwa entolo batsho bona bafuna ukudima abantwana babo ubumnandi besiphithiphithi sikaNobayeni.
Spending is our culture. December we spend a lot of money and we cannot run away from that. But then we cannot deprive our kids who want Christmas clothing because we grew up with that culture.
Uthi uma uJekweleni abantu nakunguye bangaphika naye nabambona entolo ngombana uyazazi indaba zakhe. Batsho umhlago kaTjhirhweni uzwa ngobatsho ngombana uyakwazi ukubeka imali.
I've got a culture of saving. Like what I do savings stokvels. So I do savings for December, savings for January. So now this festive has been spending my savings, which it was for December. And now I got my savings waiting for me, the January savings, of which that will be for my grandkids, the stationery, the school uniform we already bought, and we are sorted.
Isazi sezemali uMwandiyambira uthi uyibambe ngesibhukwini ummalo. uthi abanye hayi bathi abaholi imali eningi bona bakwazi ukubeka kodwa na uthi umuntu kufuze azijayize ukusithelisa khona okuncanokho.
Says that they don't earn enough to save. But saving is an experiential thing. One of the things I recommend around this time of the year is for families to start family stokvels and savings groups, because to learn how to save, you often need to get into the habit. And having family to encourage you and to help you is one way of getting started.
Ira uthi abantu bathenga ubuthaphu njalo ngonobayeni nje kodwa nakufika uchihweni bashinge barareka bagcina sebayozifaka kubomachonisa.
You know, it's not the right way to do it in January, but sometimes they are the only lenders of last resort who are available. All the stokvels are still starting again, so they don't have money to lend out, and normally they're the only ones who have cash in January. All I'll say is if you go the route of mashonisa, just remember that they might just shonisa you, and you might end up in a situation where, you know, you only start your year in April after you've paid back their interest as well as the money you borrowed in January.
Ayela ekupheleni amaholiday ukuphela komnyaka. Izazi zithi kila malanga naseleko akhe uzibambela umhlangano wakho wedwa. Ngombana sesekhona isikhathi sokuthi kila malanga naseleko uzibuyisele ngaphakathi ngikhwama zakho nakufika uchihweni umomotheke wedwa.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibuse ngayo indaba ephela kule. Asizwe umbono wakho mbukeli.
January useza enu January uyadosa yidi inyanga kaJanuary ngathi 3 months yonke.
NgoJanuary bomachonisa vela sasiyongena kakhulu kulaba nabo babenefita khona.
Ayabona lenyanga bathi uJanuary ayijwayeleki azama wathi uyiplanele kodwa khona nje kuzovela eceleni okuncane uvela uyithethe yonke le mali usuyisavile
okuyimali ibekele ukuthi nazi ingane ziyabuyela esikoleni kuningi okudingekayo uJanuary inyanga igcine ingasapheli.
Abantu abacheche bonke bangathengi nento ezingazukusebenza ekhaya.
Ngicela ngenze ibudget kusesekele ngaze kube senkingeni ngoba phela bomachonisa bese bayasikhatha ngaboJanuary nje.
Kodwa nenyama idliwa kakhulu ngoDecember nje. Athina sidlako arubeko sisidle sikhumbule bonyana uJanuary uyafika nje iveke.
Ngivumelana nawo ukuthi at least kube kuyimali at least makufika uJanuary abantwana bebe nemali zesikole ukuthi sikwazi ukubathengela icathulo zesikole kanjalo nestationery.
Kubalulekile ngempela ukuthi abantu kulama holiday bengasebenzisi kakhulu imali ngoba noJanuary nawo uyeza futhi udonsa kakhulu uma ungenamali.